A bit of sad news today, unfortunately. I had planned on photographing the isopods and showing the progress with those, but unfortunately, when I got up this morning, I found that Missy had passed away. She was upside down in a cage with her legs in the air. I think it's called a spider death pose. It's where they go when they die of old age. I wasn't going to do a video, but a lot of you have asked how to keep jumping spiders, and this is the biggest downside to jumping spiders. Their lifespan is not very long. Now, Missy was well over a year old, and she's very special to me because along with Bungie, who was the male jumping spider I had, who passed away late last year, with those two together, they were the ones that encouraged me to jump more or dive in more with macro photography, and the result of that is this YouTube channel. So I have a lot to thank for those two spiders for allowing me to be able to learn more about macro photography and to continue my journey. But for now, I just thought I'd put out a video just to say to you that Missy has passed away, and there's going to be a slight delay in some videos coming out because I was planning on doing some how to keep jumping spiders, and I was going to do some more macro tutorials, macro tutorial videos, but unfortunately I haven't got Missy. Now we have got the mantis and the isopods, so I will get around to doing those, but for now we haven't got any more jumping spiders unless I can find a UK breeder that has some baby regal jumping spiders. If you have, please get in contact with me because I do need some new models for the YouTube channel. But for now, Missy has passed away. She will be missed because she was one of my first spiders, but for now I'll leave you with this.